check out the command palette. So what you do is Command Shift P, and here you'll get this icon and this drop down sort of. So it provides you access to a lot of the commands, and you can see shortcuts following them, right? And there's a long list of them, and we can get into going over the breakup of this, but for now let's just play around with some of the key ones. So I'm going to show you what they are. So Command P lets you navigate to any file by typing its name. So here we are. Well, you can see a lot of files in the drop down, but you can see you can just click on the file and navigate to the file, right? Then the other one which I like to use is Command /. It lets you toggle comments, really handy. Then the other one which is really helpful is Shift G. Sorry. So it's Control G, and you can toggle to any line number. And another one is Shift Command O. It will take you to any, it's like a find, so it'll let you navigate to a specific symbol. So here we came to is because I typed is. So yeah, that's just to give you an idea of how to use the command palette. You can pick up any command you want to use and go with it. Another thing I want to talk about is the Zen mode, as they call it. Basically what it does is it isolates all the views and keeps the editor. You can do so by saying Command K and Z. Command K and Z. And then press escape. You can get out of it. So that's the Zen mode, pretty helpful.